Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have done page number 106 and 105, book exercise of chapter 9. Yes. And now we are doing the remaining book exercise of chapter 9. We will complete it first, then we will revise question answers. So fill in the blanks with the past form of verbs from the box. In the previous class we have done these past form of the verb eat, ate, tell, told, wake, work, shine, shone, go, went, have, had, think, thought, know, knew. Fill in the blanks with the past form of verbs from the box. We enjoyed the party last night. Last night they reached home very late. Here reach, so second form we will write here. Reach, second form is reached. I brushed my teeth 2 times yesterday. It was very hot, so we opened the window. Opened. My dad studied in this school when he was a child. These are the past form of verb, means second form we have to write here. Complete each sentence with the negative form of underlined verb. She had a pen, but she did not have any paper. I saw Tony there, but I didn't see Jenny anywhere. See, whenever we use did, we will not use second form with did not. We use first form with did. They worked on Monday, but they didn't work on Tuesday. The boys ate burgers, but the girls didn't eat any burgers. Then we have this exercise, and this is not so much of importance. So now we will revise question answers. Why was Tony happy when he woke up? Tony was happy. Why? Because it was Sunday and the sun was shining pleasantly and there is no school, so Tony was happy. Why was Tony happy when? Yes. How was the weather that morning? The sun was shining very brightly that morning. When did Tony have his breakfast? Tony had his breakfast. Nice breakfast in the morning. What did Tony want to do in the park? Tony wanted to play with his friends in the park. Where did Tony want to eat his favorite burger? Tony wanted to eat his favorite burger at the McDonald's. Why was Tony on restriction? Tony was on restriction because he told lie in the last week. You will revise the question answers as we have written earlier. So I'm just giving you hint now, but you will revise with the question answer that you have written in your notebook. What lie did Tony tell on Tuesday? On Tuesday, what Tony said, where is your homework, Tony? He said, we have a pet dog, he is very naughty and he ate up all my homework. What lie did he tell on Thursday? Thursday he said, ma'am, last night I placed my homework on the kitchen shelf. It went down the kitchen drain when mom was washing the dishes. And on Friday, ma'am, I was very sick last night, said Tony very sadly. The doctor said I needed rest. Why did the teacher call Tony's mother on phone? The teacher called Tony's mother on phone because the teacher want to clear all the things to the Tony's mother. Because the teacher knew Tony was telling lie. Why had Tony to hang his hat in shame? He had no answer, no explanation, so he had to hang his hand in shame. What made Tony's dad very angry? Tony's mother told his father the whole story. Father was very angry and he put Tony on restriction. So these are the question answers. So we have revised the chapter 9 and now we will revise chapter 10. Name of the chapter 10 is How Does It Grow? Rice, maize and wheat are the most important part of our food. We call them cereals. They are the seed of different plants. These plants belong to the grass family. We use cereals to feed our farm animals also. जो राइस मेज़ और वीट हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट हैं हमारे खाने के. इनको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? सेरेल्स, अनाज. ये डिफरेंट प्लांट्स की सीड होते हैं, बीज. दीज प्लांट्स बिलोंग टू ग्रास फैमिली. कौन सी फैमिली के से आते हैं? ग्रास फैमिली. वी यूज सेरेल्स टू फीड आवर फार्म एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ वी ग्रो दीज प्लांट्स. How does rice grow? Rice is planted in big fields. We call these fields paddies or rice paddies. They are flooded with water. When the plant are young, they look bright green, but when they are ready to harvest, they turn golden brown. The tips of the plants have rice kernels. It is these kernels that we eat. People in South India eat rice for every meal. So today we will read the chapter till here, and whatever I have sent you through recorded video, just watch them carefully and learn them also.